Hello everyone, this is lesson number 29 and let's continue to learn HSK. We have two more lessons in this level, so let's start. The first one for today is 新年, 新年, it's new year, so 新 it's new and 年 it's a year, so 新年. Let's see. I'm very happy at New Year. 新年我很开心。新年 or New Year or just New Year. I think it's implied here. 新年我很开心，我很开心。I'm very happy. 开心 it's happy. So 新年我很开心，开心。Next one is let's celebrate New Year together. Okay. 我们一起过新年吧。Let's see. 一起 it's together. 过 we know it's like it has a lot of meanings, but here is just to celebrate, to spend time with something, to spend time on, for example, celebrate this birthday, this New Year, and 吧 for celebration. 我们一起过新年吧。Let's we together spend go or celebrate 新年吧 New Year. So 我们一起过新年吧，过新年吧。New Year. Go to celebrate. Of course, it has really a lot of meanings, but here just go. I go to my younger sister's house for New Year. 新年我去妹妹家，妹妹家，妹妹 it's a younger sister, 妹妹 and 家 is house. So 新年 on the New Year 我去 I go to 妹妹家，妹妹's house. So you can say 妹妹的家 also could be, but 妹妹家 also could be. So this the possessive particle, it could be omitted because here it's implied that it's 妹妹家. So 新年我去妹妹家 Okay, next one is everyone is very busy during New Year. 大家在新年都很忙。大家 everyone 在新年 at New Year 在新年都 here is 都 is let's see 很忙 very busy. 大家 everyone 都 here is like all. Also could because 大家 it's already all, right? But here is 都 for emphasizing. You can say 大家在新年很忙, but here is 都 for emphasizing. It's really everyone, and no free minute. No free minute. I don't have a free time, so no free time. 忙 busy. So 大家在新年 everyone at New Year 都 all 很忙 very busy. 大家在新年都很忙。Next one is 票 it's a ticket. 票 Let's see. I bought 2 train tickets. 我买了2张火车票。So next one is I bought 2 train tickets. 我买了2张火车票。买 to buy something, 2 to something, 2 of something. And 火车 it's a fire, 车 it's a car. So 火车 it's a train because it's car with a fire. 我买了 I bought 两张 two. Here's 张 it's a measure word for flat objects which ticket is. So 两张火车票 train tickets. So be careful because it's measure word not for train but for tickets. 我买了2张火车票 Next one is movie tickets are very expensive. 电影票很贵 So 电影 it's a movie 贵 expensive. And you can see it's 电影票 So tickets for movie or movie tickets 很贵 very expensive 很贵. Next one is he buys a ticket at the train station. 他在火车站买票。火车站 it's a it's a train and station. So 火车站 it's a train station. 他在 he is at or he at 火车站 he at the train station 买票 buy a ticket. So he buys a ticket at the train station. Next one, I have 3 tickets for you. 我有3张票给你。3 it's a free and 给 to give something. 我有 I have 3张票 no 3张票 free tickets. Here's 给你 for you. Here's for you. Here's to give, but in this context, I think it's for you. 给你 sometimes it's also for, not only give. Next one is 旅游 Next word is 旅游 to travel, tourism. It could be a verb, it could be a noun. So let's see. Of course, it's very hard to remember this category because they're really complicated, but still. 我喜欢 I like traveling to Beijing. 我喜欢去北京旅游 So I like traveling to Beijing. 我喜欢 I like to go to where? 北京 it's Beijing. So I like to go to Beijing for what? 旅游 To travel, you can say I like traveling to Beijing. I like go to Beijing for traveling. Or you can say 我喜欢去北京旅游 Here's 旅游 I think I like to go to Beijing 旅游 I think here is a noun. Tourism, tourist, tour, destination. So mostly it's noun. Be careful. 我喜欢去北京旅游。Yeah, 旅游 Second. The next one. I went traveling for New Year. 新年我去旅游了。新年 on the New Year 我去 I went because to work with 了 so 我去了 or 我去旅游了 I went for traveling for travel because travel it's a verb traveling it's a noun so you can say also trip also adventure journey something like that but mostly traveling 新年我去旅游了 我去 Next one, the weather is very sunny when traveling. 旅游的时候天气很晴 let's see. 时候 when something, at the time of something, at the moment of something. 天气 weather, and 晴 it's sunny, it's about weather. 晴 sunny. 旅游的时候 at the time of traveling. 天气 the weather 很晴 very bright, very sunny. 旅游的时候天气很晴。Next one, my younger sister travels with me. 妹妹和我一起旅游。妹妹 my younger sister 和我 with me 一起 together 旅游 traveling. So 妹妹和我一起旅游。That's okay. And last one for today is 火车站 railway station. We already saw it before. 火车站 the train station is far from the hotel. 火车站离宾馆很远。火车站let's see. 宾馆 no 宾馆 so it's not 宾 it's 宾馆 no nose sound, so no nasal sound. 远 far away. Next one is 火车 the train station is far from the hotel. 火车站离宾馆很远。So the railway station 离 from 宾馆 hotel 很远 very far away. 火车站离宾馆很远。Next one, I wait for the train at the train station. 我在火车站等火车 so 等 it's to wait something. It's not dang, it's not ding dang dong. 等 it's 等 it's and together. 等 as here it's not 车 it's not 车 it's 车 also with a with a 车。我在火车站等火车。So I at railway station wait 等火车 wait for train. Next one, there are many tickets at the train station. 火车站有很多票。So 很多 many. 火车站 at the railway station or train station 有 has or there are 很多 a lot of 票 tickets 很多票。火车站有很多票。And last one is he goes to the train station to buy a ticket. 他去火车站买票。他去 he goes to 火车站 railway station train station. 他去火车站 for what? 买票 for to buy a ticket. 他去火车站买票。That's all for this lesson. Let's repeat what we learned. It's not a lot, but still. 新年 New Year. Because we not learn a lot of in one lesson, because we also at each lesson practice our previous words. So it's will be like a rolling stone, not like a rolling ball, snowball. So we slowly increase our knowledge. So 新年 New Year. 票 is a ticket. 旅游 to travel, tourism. And 火车站 火车站, railway station or train station. So that's all for this lesson, and see you in the next one. We'll start with in and see.